Hi there, students. Outtakes. An outtake. Okay, an outtake is part of a film or a video or a program or music or a recording thereof that was not used when the program or the video was published, usually because it contains mistakes. So if you actually look, I have a playlist named Outtakes, but normally for outtakes for you will see outtakes that are funny, where the actor says something funny or something funny happens. And very often as well you will see outtakes or bloopers at the end of a film or a program. Most of my outtakes are when I'm making a video and I get to 2 or 3 minutes and it's going really nicely, and then suddenly I make a really stupid mistake and I can't use it, or I just get lost. I just don't know what to say next. Usually I'm pretty good about what to say next, but then normally I keep the video and I publish it as an outtake because it's a perfectly good explanation of what I'm trying to explain. It's just I haven't been able to finish it. But mostly outtakes. You'll find videos of outtakes, from various films, from various different things. Okay, so an outtake, it's a scene or a sequence which was being recorded for a film or a program or a video channel, but it wasn't included in the final version. It wasn't included because there was something wrong with it, and normally it's because you'll see it when something funny happens in it. So it's not included in the shown version. Outtakes, these are the bit that the editor cuts and throws out. But sometimes these are worth keeping because they're still quite useful. So it's an excerpt, a snippet. It's where something goes wrong, and this is your outtake. So outtakes are actually quite a funny thing. Well, not if you're actually recording, because it's this outtake. It's a piece of work, normally for a film recording, that it's removed by the editing process. Because it's not right. There's something wrong with it, or it's not as good as another piece. And these are not used in the final cut. They can include humorous mistakes, bloopers, but they can also include just other things, other mistakes or other problems. I remember once I was making a video and I was attacked by a dog, and that was right very early at the beginning of my career. I wish I'd kept that for an outtake, because that would be a funny outtake. But nowadays most of my outtakes is just where I start going because I haven't got, my mind isn't ready for what I'm going to say next. Now, normally this is spelt as one word, although personally I always want to put a hyphen, but all the dictionaries say outtake, one word. Okay, so as to origin, well, I guess it's take out. You take something out. This is taken out of the original version. And let's see, an outtake. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you can probably use it anywhere. Okay. So an outtake. Well, it seems like I've managed to get this far without making this version into an outtake. So probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Outtake, outtakes.